In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Figma design into code using Lovable. We're going to take a Figma design link and have Lovable generate a responsive React page styled with Tailwind CSS. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus a few tips to make sure everything works smoothly. Start in Figma by heading to your team space and opening the team project area. From there, go to all projects so you can see everything in one place. Find the project that contains the design you want to convert and open it. Once the design file is open, look to the top right and click Share. This is where you'll grab the link Lovable needs. Before you copy it, double check that the link has the right viewing permissions for your workflow. View-only access is usually fine. If access is too restrictive, the conversion might fail because Lovable can't read the file. When you're set, click Copy Link. Now switch over to Lovable at lovable.dev and open your dashboard. Once you're in, click Ask Lovable. This is the prompt box where you'll describe what you want generated. Type exactly this request. Convert this Figma design into a responsive React page using Tailwind CSS, and then paste the Figma link you just copied. Keeping the phrasing clear helps Lovable infer your intent. React for the framework, Tailwind for styling, and responsiveness for layout behavior. If your file has multiple frames, you can reference the specific frame name in that same prompt to focus the output, but keep the core request the same. When your prompt looks good, press Enter or click Publish to submit it. Lovable will fetch your Figma design, analyze layers, typography, spacing, and component structure, and then translate those into React components with Tailwind utility classes. This usually takes a moment. When it's done, you'll see a generated result with code you can inspect and a visual preview to compare against your design. Look for semantic HTML, Tailwind classes that reflect your spacing and color tokens, and responsive behavior across breakpoints. If something looks off, consider refining your original prompt in the Ask Lovable box. Clarify which frame to target, call out key sections like header, hero, or footer, or mention any must-have interactions. Small prompt tweaks can significantly improve fidelity without changing the steps you followed. That's it. You opened your design in Figma, copied a shareable link, asked Lovable to convert it into a responsive React page with Tailwind, and published the request. Follow these steps each time you want to turn a Figma design into clean, reusable code quickly and consistently.